Yoga to cure diseases, yoga to stay fit. Yoga is a 5,000-year-old ancient science, which is a unique culture of the Indian subcontinent. Western society became interested in learning and practicing yoga after scientific studies newly proved the benefits of yoga. Today, yoga is widely practiced all over the world under the name yoga. It is a self-sustaining method that improves the body and mind as well as the individual's spirituality through regular practice. In ancient India, people practiced yoga for spiritual development. Nowadays, the importance of practicing yoga for keeping fit and healthy has increased. Yoga is a vast and comprehensive science. Yoga practice has two aspects. 1. Spiritual practice of yoga. 2. Therapeutic practice of yoga. 1. Yoga is a spiritual practice. As seen in various ancient texts, yoga originated for the spiritual development of man. A person can learn the rules of proper use of his judgment and conscience through yoga. Yoga teaches A. Nonviolence, B. Truth, C. Non-covetousness of others' wealth, D. Restraint, and E. Non-hoarding of necessities. Yoga teaches these values through the practical activities of daily living. Practitioners of spiritual yoga understand how these human qualities create a positive environment in the individual, family, society, state, and global society. 2. Therapeutic practice of yoga. In today's modern world, people from almost all countries are familiar with yoga and are practicing it. Now, therapeutic yoga is mainly used for the health and fitness of people. This branch of yoga is also divided into two parts. A. Clinical practice of yoga, and B. Yoga for fitness. Clinical practice of yoga. After taking institutional medical courses in yoga science, the clinical practice of yoga is done to cure various physical and mental ailments of sick people. Here, sick people are cured through various methods of yoga by understanding the disease. Yoga is playing a very important role in medical science today. B. Yoga for fitness. Beauty-conscious people are keeping fit by practicing various asanas of the yoga system to maintain youth and keep themselves fit by shedding body fat and controlling their weight. In the next few episodes, I will show in a series of written and video presentations how to live a disease-free, healthy, stress-free, and fit lifestyle by practicing yoga properly. Starting today with the first episode. Let's know and see how to start yoga, how to do it, and its health benefits. Loosening exercises. The first step in starting yoga is the loosening exercise, or surakshaviyam. First of all, from head to toe, every joint of the body has to be moved. As a result, the muscles, blood vessels, and nerves accompanying the bones and joints become active. The body is fully prepared to do the next yoga asanas. Why do loosening exercises first start yoga? Before starting yoga, the muscles in our body are cold and stiff. Their heart rate is low. Blood circulation in the body is slow. While doing yoga, the body has to bend in various positions. Sudden bending of the body with cold and rigid muscles can cause muscle sores and joint damage. Nerve injury may occur. There is no risk of injury if the body is warmed up with loosening exercises before starting yoga. Various health benefits of loosening exercises. 1. For beginners, those who are new to yoga should do loosening exercises to make the body flexible and prepare the body for the various yoga asanas. 2. For seniors, body flexibility decreases with age. Muscles pull on bones. Loosening exercises increase blood circulation in the body by flexing the muscles. As a result, the joint remains strong, helping to maintain normal walking and working speed despite age. 3. Headache, neck pain, back pain, knee pain, leg pain, body pain, arthritis and gout pain, frozen shoulder, and cervical spondylosis. This subtle exercise works very well to cure various types of body pain. Those who have this type of pain problem can get rid of the pain in a short time if they do proper suksha exercises every day. 4. For those suffering from depression and anxiety, breathing along with the loosening exercise allows us to notice the changes taking place in each part of the body. The brain becomes active and lively. As concentration increase, lethargy and depression diminish. 5. For hypertensive patients, people with hypertension will begin to feel relief and comfort in a few days if they do the loosening exercise every morning or afternoon while sitting in a chair, along with proper diet and adequate rest. 6. Beneficial in nerve problems. Loosening exercises are very useful in reducing hand tremors, balancing the body in Parkinson's patients, and healing nerve injuries. 7. Post-stroke rehabilitation. People who are unable to walk normally due to stroke can sit in a chair or lie down on a bed, and a family member or yoga instructor helps them to do regular loosening exercises after a few days.